Gwendolyn Brooks made literary history as the first African American to win a Pulitzer Prize for poetry in 1950. Her profound impact on American literature and the cultural recognition of African American voices in poetry set a precedent for future generations. Gloria Richardson, May 6, 1922 to July 15, 2021. A leading figure in the civil rights movement, Gloria Richardson was known for her leadership in the Cambridge movement in Maryland. Her uncompromising stance and direct action tactics helped achieve racial equality and economic justice, marking her as one of the pivotal civil rights leaders of her time. 40. Queen Mother Moore, July 27, 1898 to May 2, 1997. A pivotal figure in the civil rights and Black nationalism movements, Queen Mother Moore's activism was extensive and impactful. Advocating for African American rights, she was particularly renowned for her steadfast push for reparations for slavery. Her work spanned across various platforms and movements, making significant contributions to the empowerment of the Black community and advocating for economic justice and equality. Her legacy lives on as a testament to her dedication to the cause of justice and her influence on future generations of activists. Shirley Chisholm, November 30, 1924 to January 1, 2005. Shirley Chisholm shattered political barriers as the first African American woman elected to the United States Congress and the first woman to run for the Democratic Party's nomination for President of the United States, pioneering the way for women in U.S. politics. Wilma Rudolph was a world-renowned sprinter who became the first American woman to win 3 gold medals in track and field at a single Olympics in 1960. Overcoming childhood polio to achieve her Olympic triumphs, Rudolph's legacy extends beyond her athletic achievements to her work in education and her role as a pioneer in sports and social change. 30. Marian Anderson, February 27, 1897 to April 8, 1993. Marian Anderson was an acclaimed contralto singer who became the first African American to perform at the Metropolitan Opera in 1955. Her exceptional talent and the barriers she broke in the world of classical music make her a trailblazing figure in the arts. Patricia Roberts Harris, May 31, 1924 to March 23, 1985. Patricia Roberts Harris made history in multiple fields, becoming the first African American woman to serve as a United States ambassador and the first to enter the line of succession to the presidency, serving under President Jimmy Carter as Secretary of Housing and Urban Development and later as Secretary of Health and Human Services. Her illustrious career broke new ground for African American women in politics, law, and academia. 12. Jane Bolin, April 11, 1908 to January 8, 2007. As the first African American woman to graduate from Yale Law School and the first to serve as a judge in the United States, Jane Bolin was a pioneer in the legal field. Throughout her 40-year tenure as a judge, Bolin worked tirelessly to end segregation in child care centers and to ensure fair treatment for African American defendants, marking her as a trailblazer in the pursuit of justice and equality.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.